Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Today I am gonna show a curry or sambar recipe using SnakeGourd, which is a very good combination for rice, dosa, ragi mudde and even for chapathi. Now let's see the ingredients. For tempering, here I have chopped a medium sized onion, 2 pieces of cinnamon and a cardamom, and I have deskinned the snake gourds and chopped into halves. Three-fourth cup of chana dal, which I have soaked for about 2 to 3 hours. 1 chopped tomato, for grinding, here I took around 2 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 pods of garlic, 1 small onion, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves or cilantro, 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder for spiciness, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for good color, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Please don't skip this milk, it gives a very good taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and salt to taste. Now for grinding masala into a jar, I'm gonna add garlic, ginger, onions, coconut, coriander leaves, cloves, cinnamon and turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powders. To this I'm gonna add some water and grind it to a fine paste. While grinding masala, parallelly I kept a kadai. To this I'm gonna add around 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add cardamom and cinnamon sticks and chopped onions. Saute it for few seconds. When the onions are translucent, add chopped snake gourd. Saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll check the grinded masala. The masala is grinded perfectly. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now after sauteing this for about 2 minutes, I'm gonna add soaked chana dal. Add the grinded masala. And add the required amount of water. The curry should not be too runny or too thick. Give it a good mix and add chopped tomatoes. Let's check the consistency. It should be like this. When it boils, it becomes little thick. If you want thick curry, you can reduce the water as per your requirement. Now let this boil till the chana dal and snake gourd cooks 80% done. Then we'll add salt. Now it's around 80% cooked. To this, add salt as per your requirement. Stir this well and cook till it's completely done and check in between. It's been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now it's completely cooked. Finally, to this I'm gonna add milk and switch off the flame immediately. Now the curry is ready to serve. I hope you liked my today's video. Do give it a try and share me your feedback in the comment box below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. And please share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you soon.